we go. Another day on Full Bore. We're gonna do a more torture test of the Yeti cup. If you was out in the wild and zombies were getting you and you had a drink of this water in your Yeti cup and they were gonna shoot you or whatever, we're gonna see what it would do if it blew up. So here we go. Well, people, y'all was depending on that Yeti cup to keep you some cold beverage while the zombie apocalypse was coming and stuff was blowing up and your Yeti cup blew up. You're not going to have any water left, because that's what happens to a Yeti cup in the mushroom cloud of tannerite. Blew the bottom off. That's the top. That's a big old mess. Kind of mushroomed it a little bit. I would say this Yeti cup is not worth the money if it can't stand up to an explosion. I mean, what kind of crud we got going on here? I wanted a cold drink, dadgummit, and I gotta go to the store.